Good morning, my dear students. Today we will discuss lesson 10, a great social reformer, from your book Butterfly, and page number is 106. Okay, let's read. She is Begum Rokeya, a remarkable woman whose efforts considerably changed the state of female education in Bengal. So Begum Rokeya was an extraordinary woman. Her endeavor changed the position of Muslim girls in the society. Her full name was Begum Rokeya Sakhawat Hossain. She was kind and generous to the disadvantaged women of Bengal and extended her helping hand to the poor and the helpless. So she was very kind-hearted person and charitable to the underprivileged and distressed women of the society. She helped them unconditionally. She was the pioneer in setting up a school for the poor Muslim girls of Bengal. So she was the first who established school for the Muslim girls. She strongly believed in the need of modern education for women. So Begum Rokeya felt that women should not be deprived from modern education. At that time, Muslim girls could read religious texts, but they were not allowed to take modern education like history, geography, English, Bengali, science and all. Begum Rokeya was born in an affluent Muslim family, so her family was very rich and wealthy. Though she never went to school, Rokeya educated herself through her own interest and efforts. So although she belonged from a rich family, but Rokeya Begum was not allowed to go to school. Everything he had learnt through her own will. She learnt Arabic and Persian at home and also received lessons in Bengali and English. So she gathered a huge amount of knowledge. Some great books written by her, both in Bengali and English, will be remembered forever. So we will remember her books forever because those are praiseworthy. Okay, let's continue. Begum Rokeya wrote extensively on the need for social reforms. So, social reform is a movement against some social practices. And extensively means widely or largely. Some of her famous books include Sultana's Dream, Motichur, Padmarag. So, these are some popular books of Begum Rokeya. She wrote against social injustice and the restrictions suffered by women. So at that time, women didn't get modern education and they had to face many obstacles, and Rokeya Begum spoke up against such social custom. Rokeya had immense faith in women's power and proclaimed that without the help of women, a family can never stand. So Begum Rokeya believed that women are also powerful and a woman is as much important as man. She questioned the gender division of labor and felt that there should be no gender inequality. So gender inequality means men and women are not equal, and Rokeya Begum didn't accept the idea that men are greater than women. Begum Rokeya was a strong humanist. So humanist means a person who have great concern for human welfare. She gave lessons to women on various subjects. So Begum Rokeya taught other women about different subjects. She was the founder of Anjuman-e-Khwatin-e-Islam, a Muslim women's association. So she established an organization for only Muslim women. Rukia had a deep belief in the inherent unity of our nation. She believed that we all have some inborn unity or union, and she didn't discriminate between male and female. So it is her opinion that we have to think everyone as a fellow human being, not as a male and female. So she was a great social reformer. Okay students, if you have any question you can ask me.